Hey guys, what's up family? Hey tastemakers. Today I'm making some meatloaf. I have 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. That's all I'm using today. I raided my freezer and I realized I want to use this today. So we got 80/20 ground beef. I have some Italian style bread crumbs because that's what I have. And that's how I cook. I make things out of things I already have. Have ketchup. Have some Louisiana style hot sauce. I have my seasoning blend here. I have like some dried onions and Creole seasoning in here. I have 2 eggs. I'm going to beat up, and I have a little bit of water. Okay, so in honor of Black History Month, I'm doing this because, our people in slavery, only got scrap. Oh, I forgot. I have a half of an onion and a half of a green bell pepper, and I blended it here. I wanted it chopped up really finely, and so, in honor of Black History Month, I love comfort food anyway, so I just wanted to do something comforting. And I was just talking to my mom. She said, I got a taste for a good meatloaf. And I said, you know what I do too? I said, I think I'm going to make some this month. So, I'm going to do that today. Meatloaf came about because, poor people all around the world were just given scraps, even people in Europe. And our people in slavery, we were just getting scraps. When the aristocrats were getting their big prime rib roast and Black people were the ones cooking it and serving it to them, we would get the little scraps. So our people learned how to, we can make our own little roast, okay? So got that. So let me finish blending up these veggies. Why isn't that working now? Oh, it's that. All right. So first I'm going to put my seasonings in here. I'm going to work that in with my hands. I have some gloves on. I got salt and pepper and onion powder. And you've seen dried onions and stuff. So I'm putting that in here. That's what I had in my pantry. Okay. So we're going to incorporate that. So now I'm going to incorporate the fresh vegetables, the onion and the green pepper. So I just want to give honor to for our Black History Month. We've had to be resourceful. We've had to endure a lot. Our people are very intelligent in a lot of things that we use every day today. A lot of the foundation of America was built on the backs of Black Americans, African Americans. We're Americans. And so I'm just so proud of how resourceful and intelligent our people were and just making the most out of your situation. You can just do what you can do now to survive, and you can, move on up as time goes on. And that's the problem. People never wanted us to want more. All human beings want better and more for their children. All these slave owners were worried about was like, I want to get my crops. We need workers. And I'm wondering, like, how is all of these people saying that they love America, but they won't work for America? They won't get out there and pick the cotton. They won't get out there and harvest these crops. You're American. Why aren't you doing it? Then why are you mad when another culture is coming in here to do it? Okay, so I added some, and this is just when I eyeballed. That was about a half a cup of ketchup. I like doing meatloaf by hand. See now? Just fold it in. I know AI is coming and doing a lot of stuff, but there's nothing better than the human hand. Okay. Let's see. Put some hot sauce in there. Okay, so let me whip these eggs. Pour the eggs in. Incorporate the eggs. Now, if you need to taste, this was a caterer's tip. You would take a little ball, that's how people do meatballs as well. You make a little ball, you put it in a skillet, or you can boil it, and that's how you know what the flavor tastes like. I trust this process. I trust these seasonings. Okay. All right, so I'm going to add about a quarter cup of, these are Italian flavored breadcrumbs. You can use oatmeal. Even when I use oatmeal, crackers, whatever you have. That's what cooking is. Use what you have. This is a binder. The eggs are a binder. This is what I had, and I hadn't used it in a while. So, it smells good. I love those Italian flavors. Okay, so we got that. Just fold it in. Especially now that the eggs are in there, I don't want to like overwork it. Okay. So I'm going to do that until I'm done. Okay, family, I have the oven preheated to 350. And I line my cookie sheet with foil. I'm still going to slightly spread. Okay, the meatloaf is all mixed well. I punch it down. Then we're going to shape it into a loaf.